What if you could change your money mindset and attract more wealth? Have you ever felt stuck in your financial situation, wondering why success seems to come easily to others but not to you? These are questions many of us ask ourselves, and today we're going to explore a powerful approach to transforming your relationship with money. Our focus is on the teachings of Louise Hay and the law of attraction. Louise Hay was a renowned author and speaker who dedicated her life to helping people improve their lives through positive thinking and self-love. Her work has touched millions, offering a fresh perspective on how our thoughts shape our reality, especially when it comes to financial abundance. Let's start by understanding who Louise Hay was. Born in 1926, she overcame a challenging childhood to become one of the most influential figures in the self-help movement. Her philosophy centered on the idea that our thoughts and beliefs create our experiences. She believed that by changing our thinking, we could change our lives, including our financial situations. Louise Hay's impact on the world of self-help and positive thinking can't be overstated. Her books, including You Can Heal Your Life, have sold millions of copies worldwide. She founded Hay House, a publishing company that continues to spread messages of empowerment and self-improvement. Her work has inspired countless individuals to take control of their lives and create positive change. Now let's dive into the core of Louise Hay's teachings, the power of thoughts. According to Hay, our thoughts are not just fleeting ideas in our minds, they're powerful forces that shape our reality. She taught that every thought we think is creating our future. This concept is particularly relevant when it comes to our beliefs about money and wealth. Think about it. How often do you catch yourself thinking negatively about money? Maybe you found yourself saying things like, "I'll never be rich," or "money doesn't grow on trees." These kinds of thoughts, according to Hay, act as barriers to financial abundance. They program our subconscious mind to reject wealth and maintain a state of financial struggle. But here's the good news. If negative thoughts can create financial hardship, positive thoughts can create financial abundance. This is where the real power of Louise Hay's teachings comes in. By consciously changing our thought patterns about money, we can open ourselves up to greater financial opportunities and success. Let's explore some common limiting beliefs about money. Many people grow up hearing that money is the root of all evil, that rich people are greedy, or that you have to work extremely hard to make money. These beliefs, often inherited from our families or society, can subconsciously sabotage our efforts to improve our financial situation. These limiting beliefs affect our financial situation in numerous ways. They can make us hesitant to ask for a raise, reluctant to start a business, or cause us to overspend because we don't believe we deserve financial stability. Recognizing these beliefs is the first step towards changing them. So, how do we change these deeply ingrained beliefs? Louise Hay developed several techniques for shifting thoughts and creating a more positive mindset. One of her most powerful tools was the use of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated regularly, can help reprogram our subconscious mind. For wealth and abundance, Hay suggested affirmations like, "I am open and receptive to all the wealth in the universe," or "Money flows freely and abundantly into my life." The key is to choose affirmations that resonate with you and to repeat them consistently, even if you don't believe them at first. Over time, these positive statements can help shift your beliefs and, consequently, your financial reality. Another important aspect of changing your money mindset is becoming aware of your self-talk. Pay attention to the things you say to yourself about money. When you catch yourself thinking or saying something negative, pause and consciously replace it with a positive thought. This practice, while simple, can be incredibly powerful in reshaping your money mindset. Now let's talk about the law of attraction, a concept closely related to Louise Hay's teachings. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. In other words, the thoughts and energy we put out into the universe come back to us. This applies to all areas of life, including our finances. When it comes to money, the law of attraction suggests that focusing on lack and scarcity will only bring more of the same into your life. On the other hand, focusing on abundance and gratitude for what you already have can attract more wealth and opportunities. To apply the law of attraction to your financial life, start by shifting your focus from what you don't have to what you do have. Express gratitude for the money and resources currently in your life, no matter how small they may seem. This attitude of gratitude can help shift your energy and attract more abundance. Visualization is another powerful tool in applying the law of attraction. Spend time each day visualizing yourself living the financially abundant life you desire. See yourself confidently managing your money, making wise investments, and enjoying the fruits of your financial success. The more real you can make these visualizations feel, the more powerful they become in attracting your desires. Now that we've covered the theoretical aspects, let's look at some practical steps you can take to improve your money mindset. First, start your day with positive affirmations about money. This sets a powerful tone for the rest of your day. You might want to write your chosen affirmations on sticky notes and place them where you'll see them often, on your bathroom mirror, your computer screen, or your wallet. Another practical step is to create a wealth-friendly environment. This could involve decluttering your space, as clutter can represent stuck energy in your life. Organize your financial documents, balance your checkbook regularly, and treat the money you have with respect. These actions send a message to your subconscious mind that you're ready and willing to handle more wealth. Consider starting a prosperity journal. Each day, write down all the ways you received money or experienced abundance. This could include your regular paycheck, a refund, a gift, or even finding a coin on the street. This practice helps train your mind to recognize the abundance that's already flowing into your life. It's also important to surround yourself with positive influences. Read books about wealth and abundance, listen to podcasts featuring successful entrepreneurs, or join a group of like-minded individuals who are also working on improving their financial mindset. The people and information you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your thoughts and beliefs. As you work on changing your money mindset, it's normal to encounter obstacles. Doubts may creep in, or you might experience setbacks that make you question whether this approach really works. It's crucial to remember that changing long-held beliefs takes time and persistence. When facing doubts or setbacks, remind yourself that these are opportunities for growth. Use these moments to reaffirm your commitment to your new beliefs. You might find it helpful to keep a record of your progress, noting even small positive changes in your financial situation or your attitude towards money. Consistency is key when it comes to changing your money mindset. Make your new practices a daily habit. even on days when you don't feel like it, take a few moments to repeat your affirmations or visualize your financial goals. Over time, these practices will become second nature, and you'll start to see their effects in your life. While we can't share specific individual stories, it's worth noting that many people have reported significant improvements in their financial situations after applying Louise Hay's teachings and the law of attraction. These improvements often go beyond just financial gains. Many report feeling more confident, less stressed about money, and more open to opportunities. These success stories serve as inspiration and motivation. They remind us that change is possible, regardless of our current circumstances. They encourage us to persist in our efforts, even when results aren't immediately visible. Now it's time for you to take action. Remember, knowledge without action is just information. To see real changes in your financial life, you need to consistently apply what you've learned. Start by choosing 1 or 2 affirmations that resonate with you. Commit to repeating these affirmations daily for at least 30 days. Set aside time each day for visualization exercises, seeing yourself living your ideal financial life. Begin paying attention to your thoughts and self-talk about money. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, consciously replace those thoughts with positive ones. Start a gratitude practice, acknowledging the abundance that's already present in your life. Create a plan for your financial future. Set clear, achievable goals and write them down. Break these goals into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate each small victory along the way, reinforcing your new, positive money mindset. Consider seeking out resources to support your journey. There are many books, workshops, and online courses available that expand on Louise Hay's teachings and the law of attraction. Find the ones that resonate with you and dive deeper into this transformative work. Remember, changing your money mindset is a process. It won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and patience, you can create significant changes in your financial life. Trust in the process and stay committed to your new way of thinking. As we wrap up, let's recap the key points we've covered. We've explored Louise Hay's teachings on the power of thoughts and how they shape our reality. We've discussed common limiting beliefs about money and how they affect our financial situations. We've learned about the law of attraction and how it applies to wealth and abundance. We've also looked at practical steps for changing your money mindset, including the use of affirmations, visualization, and creating a wealth-friendly environment. We've addressed how to overcome obstacles and stay consistent in your practice. And finally, we've encouraged you to take action and apply these concepts in your own life. The journey to financial abundance begins with your thoughts and beliefs. By changing your money mindset, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities. You have the power to create the financial reality you desire. It all starts with believing in yourself and in the abundance of the universe. As you move forward, remember that every positive thought, every affirmation, and every visualization is a step towards your financial goals. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and stay committed to your new way of thinking. Your financial future is in your hands. By applying the principles we've discussed today, you're taking a powerful step towards creating the abundance you desire. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and watch as your financial reality begins to transform. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Louise Hay's teachings and the law of attraction as they apply to wealth and abundance. We hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. Remember, the power to change your financial situation lies within you. It's time to accept the money you want and deserve. We encourage you to share your experiences as you apply these principles in your life. Your journey could inspire others who are on a similar path. And if you found this information helpful, please share it with others who might benefit. Continue to educate yourself on these topics. There's always more to learn and discover on the path to financial abundance. Stay curious, stay open, and most importantly, stay committed to your personal growth and financial success. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to reshape your thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately, your financial reality. You have the power to create the abundant life you desire. It all begins with your thoughts. So why not start right now? What positive thought about money can you focus on today? Thank you for your attention, and we wish you all the best on your journey to financial abundance. Keep believing, keep growing, and keep attracting the wealth you deserve. Your time for financial success has come. Embrace it with open arms and an open mind.